What's up, everybody? This is Stephen A. Williams, president founder of Blue Book MKE and Level Up Your Business 5-Day Challenge. What I have here is I want to show you some inside information, or something that I just received from YouTube about one of my businesses activity on YouTube. So this is a company that I own, and I want to show you. Look at this here. Your 2022 snapshot, 517,000 total views, 2.3 million minutes. And when I looked at what that broke down, I was over, I believe it was 38,000. Let me see here, 2.3 million and divided by 60 minutes. That's 38,000 hours and 18,700 likes, and what is that there? New subscribers, 7,200. I'm about to break 50,000 subscribers. This talks about the most popular videos and all of that stuff. But this is the thing, and this here shows where most of my views are coming from, what countries. Let me tell you where the big deal is with this. It's not about my business. It's about what you can do. When I started this channel, I didn't start this channel at these numbers. I started this channel by consistently posting one video. Really, it was one video. I think I did once every 2 weeks, but I just posted on information that I believe that people should know about. And over time, the channel grew, but one of the days that I, literally woke up and I had over 15,000 views on one of my videos that I made. So what that means is, and I teach this in my 5-day challenge course, but I'm going to give you a little head start on this, is that doing videos, making ads, contacting people to close sales could be just like making a record. You never know what record is going to be a hit, and once it becomes a hit, you will eat off of that record for a long time. I showed videos that I've made over, I think, getting ready to approach $60,000 of just revenue from this YouTube channel alone, over getting close to 60 grand. But that's just from what they've paid. You better bet that I've gotten plenty of leads and plenty of sales from this. There was just a conversation today that a young lady called me, and she said that I've watched all of your videos religiously, and so I made money from her watching the videos. But she decided to call our company and said that you're the company that I want to work with, not any other company. I believe that what you teach and what you say and how you do your services, I want to work with your company. And so, what I'm going to be teaching you in my 5-day challenge is how to, number one, get your business from surviving to thriving. And then I'm going to talk about how you could just slowly get your YouTube channel up and running. So, I'm going to give you this instruction guide that you can look at, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I did so you can get yourself moving, because there's a ton of free leads that you could be getting from YouTube, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of Blue Book MKE and creator of Let's Level Up 5-Day Challenge for your business.